So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Okay. So now you are seeing here. What's our discussion topic for today? Breaking bad habits. Okay. What is habit? First, you have to decide, or you have to tell about habits. What is habits? What you are doing on regular basis? What do you do on regular basis? That's your habit. Okay. Sometimes our habit is good, and sometimes our habit is bad. Okay. So you will tell means what's your good habits and how to break your bad habits. First, you will let me know or let us know what are your bad habits and how to tackle your bad habits and break your bad habits. Okay. So first, I am inviting Aradhya. So please come here and let me know and let us know what is your bad habits and how to break your bad habits. Okay, one by one you have to come.
So first of all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. I am Aradhya from grade 6 and today's our topic is breaking bad habits. So bad habits are the things which are not good for us and that we are having habit to do in regular basis. So breaking bad habit means to remove or to decrease your bad habits from you. And bad habits are such as if someone has a habit to bite his nail, it's a bad habit. If someone has a habit to tell a lie, then it's also a bad habit. And like in that way only, there are many bad habits. But it's not like that we have nothing to do about it. We have many ways to decrease our bad habits. Like if someone has habit to tell a lie, so his parents or friends must have helped him or her to decrease this habit from him. And if he wants a change in himself, so he would work hard to decrease this bad habit in himself. So these are the small bad habits that are I think everyone is having. But there are many big bad habits as well, like someone is stealing someone is stealing someone's pen and then he is telling lie to him that I have not. And slowly and slowly it turned into a very bad and big habit. Like in future he would be a thief. So that's why it's very important to decrease bad habits, and for that we should take help of our guardians, parents, friends, and etc. So now I am inviting Harshvardhan.
So first of all, very good evening everyone. My name is Harshvardhan Bhargava. Today I am presenting my topic on breaking bad habits. Yes, I am breaking bad habits because bad habit is very bad and they is harmful for everyone like you, me and everyone, and it cause very harm for us and it's make our nature bad, and there are many people do bad habit like are people doing bad habit, and that's all. Now I am calling Manvi.
Hello everyone, I am Manvi Shishodia from 8th standard. Today I am telling a topic is breaking bad habits. Firstly, what is habit? So I can say habit is that thing that we can do. There are some good habits and some bad habits. So good habits like talking respectfully to everyone and take cleanness everywhere, and bad habits like talk rude, using bad words, etc. It is possible to decrease bad habits because it is in our hand how to decrease bad habits. It is not impossible that we can't decrease our bad habits because it is not good for our personality. If we are decrease our bad habits, it is very good thing, and good habits is good for us and bad habit is not good for us. That's all from me, and now I am calling Shrey.
So, good evening to all of you. I'm Shane, and today I'm here to present a topic which is breaking bad habits. So, first I will tell you about what is bad habits. So, bad habits, which are habits which is very bad and which is very bad for us, and it shows our personality and nature how we are, and it is very bad for us, and other person also think he is very bad and he is using also bad habits. And so now I will tell you about how we can break the bad habits. So first we have to make some good habits. By this we can automatically break our bad habits. And there is a fact, everyone has bad habits. There is a no one which is human being which is not having any bad habits. And bad habits are very bad for us, because then there are many types of bad habits, like telling lie, stealing someone's things, and abusing, using wrong words. And that's all about me. Now I am inviting Ayush Mistry.
Hello everyone, all my dear friends. I am Ayush Mistry. So today we are discussing bad habits. So let us start my topic, bad habits. So bad habits. So let I tell you about habits. So habits are a thing. Habits are an activity that we do in our daily life. Like some people plant trees, some people play, some people do their work, some people study, some people sleep. As this is called habit. And bad habits are the habit that are like, some people chew nails, some people make a noise, some people disturb another people. These are called bad habits. Now I will tell you about why breaking bad habits is necessary. So breaking bad habit is necessary because it decreases our confidence, and also disturb our personality. As we know, as we have listened to many teachers that you should decrease your bad habit or break your bad habit. They said this because bad habit is so bad for us. Sometimes we stuck in bad habit and we are unable to study properly. Sometimes I have seen a pupil who just do bad habits, and he is always unable to study. He is always unable to study and always unable to do his extracurricular activities. So that the thing that bad habit do. So now I will tell you something that you can break your bad habit. So something that you can break your bad habit is that now that you have listen a quote that metal will destroy metal. Like as the same, in this case, good habit will destroy bad habit. Good habits are like, some people help some people give donation to some people give food, some people play things, some people obey their elders, some people respect their teachers, some people always do their work completely. As this is called good habits. So following these good habits, you can break bad habits. So that's all about my topic, breaking bad habits. So now I will call Paridhi.
Good evening everyone, I am Paridhi from grade 8. So my topic is breaking bad habits. So firstly I will tell you about how to break bad habits. Like we will take an example of bad habit, that is biting our nails. So we can tell to our parents that please whenever I will bite my nails, please remind me to not bite our nails. So the parents will remind us, but we should obey them. If we will not obey them, so our habit will not break. And the habit is that we do in regular basis. So now I will tell about breaking bad habits. It is very necessary to break bad habits. Because of these, our personality gets slow, and there are so many bad habits that we should break, like biting our nails, not brushing daily, and not eating in a proper manner, and not behaving properly with someone, and more. Because of these, our image comes down, and no one wants to become our friend, and our parents always scolds us. Thank you. That's all about my topic. Now I am inviting Sumit.
Hello everyone and respected teacher. I will tell an example of bad habit inviting nails and disturb the brothers. First of all, I will breaking habits in in every day in break the one habit. And what is the habit? Habit is the daily routine in habit. Bad habit is disturb the brother and sister and others, and bite the nails and etc. And break the habits in I will good habit in increase. And why do we in bad habit? I will increase, and I will increase the competition. I will clean the bad habit in com- in in increase the competition and other things. I will invite the Kush Bhaiya.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Kushau and today I am representing a topic on breaking bad habits. So first I will tell you that what is bad habits. Bad habit means our parents or anyone don't like the work or activity that we do. And for examples, abusing, doing mischiefs and etc. There is a opposite of bad habit, good habits. So good habits is the opposite of bad habits. So let's come to the topic that how can we break the bad habits. So there are some points like making a good timetable of our day, and set our goals and plans in the future, and write down to apply in your daily life. Thank you. That's all about my topic. And now I am inviting Harshit Yadav.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Harshit Yadav and today I am representing a topic that is breaking down bad habit. So first I will tell about what is habit. Habit is something that we do in our daily life, that we are repeating it. There are mainly two kind of habits: bad habits and good habits. So then next I will tell about the bad habits. Next I will tell about the bad habit. So bad habit is something that break up our personality, and it did not make a favorable impression upon someone else. And next I will tell about good habit. Good habit are something that makes our personality good in front of someone. That I will take an example that if we are going in a new school first time, so we are so nervous, but we did not nervous. We have confidence for introduce ourselves in front of the class. Then I will tell about the how to breaking down of bad habits. There are so many ways we can break down our bad habits. Like we follow the instructions of our parents, and in this institution we are also the sir also teaching that how to maintain our gesture, posture, and our discipline. And then next I will tell about the next I tell about the disadvantages of bad habits. There are so many disadvantages of bad habits that makes first is that we did not make a favorable impression. Second, we have no confidence. Third, we can't introduce ourselves in a good way. Then that's all from me. Next I am inviting Arnav.
So first of all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I am here to present a topic on breaking bad habits. So bad habits is I see there are many persons they don't listen to teachers. They are speak continuously and they roaming in class and corridor and they don't listen to teachers and make a noise in the class. They are shouting and they disturb and other students. So I am saying this, don't how to how to break bad habits. So I am tell you, don't roam in the class and don't shout in the class. Don't disturb to anyone and do your work and sit quietly and listen to teachers and don't run in corridor. That's all. I call Samyak.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. My name is Samyak Jain. Today, I am here to represent a topic that is breaking the bad habits. As you can see, so now I want to tell you first what is bad habit. Bad habit is a thing that defines our bad things, what we do in our daily basis. Now I want to tell you how can we break the bad habits. We should try to leave bad habits in 1 or 3 months, and we can also increase our good habits. For that, first we have to decrease our bad habits because that's not good for us and it make us a bad person and no one will like us. That's all. Now I am gonna con Divyans.
Good evening everyone, I am Divyansh. I was from class 9. So today's topic is breaking bad habits. So first of all, I telling you what is bad habit. Bad habits are those habits that comes automatically in our life and it is bad for everyone and it decrease the personality in the society and it is makes a bad person and breaking bad habits means changing in ourselves and change this is very important for our life and how can we breaking habits. So it is possible to break bad habits be like like some good like some being good habit like we always help to other and sitting quietly in the class and do not noise and bad habits are like we laughing without reason and talk to each other in the class and many person are do the wrong behavior with their teacher and talk to cross words with their teacher. So that's good bad for everyone. So please improve yourself and believe in yourself. Everything is possible. That's all about my topic. Now I am calling Isika.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. I am Ishika. Today I present my topic. My topic name is breaking bad habit. We all know that breaking bad habits is very important for us because if we don't break our bad habits, so it become very big hurdle in future. In future, we don't remove our bad habit like chew our nails, don't take bath daily, and don't obey our parents and elders and behave in bad manner and many more.
My name is Shivansh Lakshkar and my topic is breaking bad habits. First of all, what is a habit? Habit is these things which do our daily life and bad habit is a two type of bad habit, good habit and bad habit. Good habit is like we sit proper and we are quiet and bad habits like some people are smoking and drinking and make a noise and we breaking a bad habit. We don't make a noise, and we sit proper, and thank you.
So first of all, good evening to all of you and respected sir. I am Yasraj Yadav and I am here to present a topic of breaking bad habits or how to break bad habits. So according to me, bad habits means a word that defines our bad works or bad thing. And there are some rules and some works. That's how we can break our bad habits. We can break our bad habits by sitting properly and improving our gesture posture, and we can obey our elders and respect our elders. And there are many other things like we can also try to leave our bad habits, like we can not talking in our bad habits, or not working in bad habits. So in 1 or 3 months we can leave our bad habits easily. And now I want to tell about some good habits. Good habits means a habit or a work that defines our good work, and our personality. Good good habit is like we are sitting properly, and our gesture posture, our personality, and we and our and our overall things. And many people think that we cannot leave our bad habits. We can never leave our bad habits, but if they try to leave their bad habits, so they can easily leave their bad habits. That's all. Now now I want to invite Garv. I want to invite Purvi.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. My name is Puri Soni. So today my topic is breaking bad habits. Bad habits means just like chewing nails, shouting, disturbing people. We can decrease bad habit like don't chewing nails, don't shouting, don't disturb. Thank you.